This is new Samsung Galaxy S2. What we will cover here is India version. Today only it got released in the market, and here is the brand new piece. Uh, First, look at the box. These are the main features. It has dual core. There was a lot of expectation whether it will get dual core 1.2 or not, or 1 gigahertz, but thank God it is 1.2, and the main camera is 8 megapixel autofocus with flash, and the front cam is 2 megapixel. Full SD recording, multi-codec support, Wi-Fi, BNG, Bluetooth 3.0. It's a high-speed Bluetooth. GPS with geotagging, DLNA, high power battery, a huge 16 GB memory, and yes, one more thing. This Indian version was initially meant to be launched with Super AMO LED, but now they have launched with Super AMO LED Plus, same as the UK version. It has DVX codec, Wi-Fi certified, Android logo, and all. Okay, now come to price. Samsung is selling it in 32,890, which is MRP, but you can find it in 31,000 in any of the local stores. Now let's open it. This is the new packing, very pretty. We'll see one by one. This is the handset. We'll cover it later. First, see what are the accessories. Okay. This is one quick start guide and warranty card. One earplugs. Same earplug which they have provided in most of their high-end phones. Extra sets of earplugs. One leather pouch. They say it's designed by Samsung. Some travel adapter. Battery. This is our main Galaxy S2. It looks big. You can see in my palm. Very flexible rear flap. This is for SIM card, micro SD port, 8 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel front cam, 3.5 jack, micro USB. This is power button, volume up and volume down.